Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay, so we got all the jars open. And now, it's time to put on our ingredients. Got the salsa sauce. And put the salsa sauce on. Yep. And I don't skimp on the sauce. And I'm making food for other people. I want it to taste good. So, I'll do that. Look at that. That's going to taste good. That's going to be a full taco. Now, I didn't make as much as last time because I'm not having as big a gathering. But, oh, that's going to be good. Yeah. If I make a little bit of a mess, I'll clean it up. Don't worry. Sometimes you have to make a mess to have fun. It's the only way. Especially if you're making tacos. If there isn't a mess, you did something wrong. Okay. Look at that. That's going to be good. Okay. So that's our salsa sauce done. Now we got to put our special nacho cheese. Yeah, here's an idea. If it tastes good on a chip, why not put it on a taco? Come on, this is a good idea, right? You know you're going to love this. I make good food. See? It's a little bit of a mess, but oh well. You know what? Life has to be lived. Can't just live in a little bubble. Afraid of a little bit of a mess. That's gonna be good. Look at that taco. That's a taco. Don't skimp on the cheese, buddy. Yeah, look at that. That's good, good, good. Okay, now we get the sour cream in here. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah. Yep. You put that sour cream on there, it's gonna sing. Oh yeah. I don't skimp on the sour cream either. Well, that one's already a little bit full. Let's spread it out over this one a little bit. Yeah. Don't worry about the mess. If there's too much stuff in there, I'll just double shell it. We'll be okay. Let me do this, and we got one more over there. Yep, okay, so we got sour cream on them. And let's see. We want to put a little bit, not too much because they're getting kind of full. But we want to have a little bit of the sprinkly cheese. Or as normal people call it, shredded cheese. Call it a sprinkly cheese. Put some sprinkly cheese on. There we go. And away. Now you put a little bit, not too much because this is strong, but you want your taco to be a little bit spicy. So we're going to pull out the heavy guns. Shazaya. Just a little bit. You don't want to put too much of this stuff on. Look at that! Yeah, we got some soft tacos ready to serve. We're gonna try one before everybody gets here. These bad boys are ready to go.